soft and bright. Foamy bubbles feel just right. Wash my arms from wrist to shoulder, growing cleaner as I'm older.
Wash my tummy nice and slow, round and round the bubbles go. Giggle, smiles, and happy cheer, clean and fresh throughout the year.
Wash my legs and wash my feet, tiny toes are nice and neat. Rub them gently one by one, bath time is so full of fun.
Wash my back with lots of care, tiny bubbles everywhere. Stretch up high and reach around, happy splashes all around.
Wash my hair with bubbly foam, making fluffy clouds at home. Rinse it clean with sparkling rain, soft and shiny once again.
Brush, brush, brush so bright, morning, afternoon, and night. Healthy smiles begin to glow, sparkling teeth will always show.
Dry with towels soft and warm, cozy, comfy, safe from harm. Put on clean clothes every day, ready now to jump and play.
Fresh and clean from head to toe, healthy children always grow. Kindness, laughter, fun to share, happy hearts are everywhere.
Wave goodbye to bath time fun. Today's cleanup now is done. Tomorrow when the sun is new, we'll wash again.